So I have an opening right now or at 2 o'clock. Which do you prefer?
I mean, listen, I don't want to come down there if I don't know like what I'm getting myself into. Can you just give me a price of how much you think it's going to be?
So I hope you heard that. If you didn't and your speakers were down or whatever, just email me and you'll get my email at the end of the call. I will send that over to you in an MP3 so you can listen to it. It was very impactful. And that really opened up my eyes to say, look, I don't know what I'm getting into. And there's a fear-based mentality with most auto repair consumers. Most consumers are afraid that the shop is going to ask for things that they didn't come in for. So our entire sales process is built around delivering what the client came in for. And then we get permission to do the inspection up front at the initial write-up. We let the customer know exactly what's going on. And with this transparency that we have with our shop management programs, it makes it easy to take the fear out. So if you're still stuck in the mindset that I can't give you a price from the phone without seeing your car,